I know a lot of people back be against the wall, but you know, my back was against the wall 3 years ago. It was against the wall, but y'all know, man. It takes a special person, special breed. It takes some special. It takes some focus. It takes some dedication. It takes some consistency. It takes some learning. It takes some pride, man. You know what I'm saying? Doing the things that I've done. I never say what I've done is easy, but it's easier said than done, because I created a passion and a joy for it that I like to do. I created a passion and a joy to where it was easy. It became a part of me. It became a part of my life. That what makes getting money so easy for me. I'm like a money magnet. I'm like a success magnet. You guys should be the same way. If you focus, if you do things consistent. I personally make money or get paid when I'm not trying to make money and get paid. All right. I guess I've been working damn hard. See, a lot of people just only make money when they work hard. That's when they get paid. So you might as well go all in. Y'all might as well go all in. All in. You go all in. Guess what? You win all the chips. I went all in. Chips gonna be coming all across the board. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go all in again. It's time for relaunch. Y'all should work harder. Y'all should work so hard people think y'all crazy. People already think I'm crazy. But right now I work so hard to where I can just travel, go to Hollywood, go to Miami, and to make a lot of money and to be happy, to be able to give back. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta put it all on the line. I'm sure y'all seen that poker. Just go all in, man. Just go all in with your life. Go all in for success. Go all in. What I mean about go all in, just learn, man. Learn. Be dedicated. Apply. Put yourself in position to learn from real people. Go hard. Go harder than hard. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Dose. Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. Show us up, I've been down and out below. Keep it up.